Here is a wonderful 2019 Toyota RAV4. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, rear spoiler. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take outstanding care of you. Come in for a test drive and meet our professional team.